What's up, you guys? Welcome to Fox Builds. I'm John Fox, and I'm a general contractor here in the Seattle area. And one day I was watching some YouTube videos and I decided I want to invest into real estate. So a little bit about myself. I'm 23 at the time of this recording, and I've been doing construction for a little over 10 years. I started when I was 13 years old. Thanks, immigrant parents.
If you come from immigrants, they don't play around with the work, okay?
Funny story. I actually remember in 7th grade when I got back from summer break, the teacher asked all the kids, what did everybody do over the summer? And she realized I had a pretty strange answer when I told her that I actually did all the hardwood flooring in an entire construction development in our local area. So that explains a little bit about who I am. I started working at a young age, helping my dad do remodels, and then joined the laborers union for a little bit, and then eventually opened up my own business, and I was doing remodels for other people. And then one day I was watching YouTube videos from some of my favorite YouTubers.
Real estate.
And I decided, why am I doing remodels for other people? Why not do it for myself? So that's when I decided I want to get into real estate. Luckily, throughout my construction process, I happened to shake the right hand at the right time, and I met a real estate agent who's a good friend of mine now, who specializes in off-market deals. And he's going to be helping me get into real estate through flips, to build some capital, and then eventually get into the rental properties. And you guys are going to watch it all here first. So as of right now, I haven't done any flips. I don't own any rental properties, but I want to start and I want to document the whole thing and post it here for you guys to see. I'm going to be getting into real estate through the construction side, not the real estate side, because I'm a little more constructionally inclined. So for the first flip, I'm just going to be the general contractor. I will not be the investor, just to dip my toe in the water and kind of feel out the market. And it's just an opportunity that my friend gave me to kind of get into it. I'm still going to be doing the entire flip. I'm going to be calling all the shots on design, on anything that goes down here, but I'm not the investor, unfortunately. But it's okay. It's a good way to feel out the market. And I'm going to attempt to do the entire flip alone in 30 days. However, I will not be alone for the entire process, just to make that clear. I will be doing most of the work myself. For the first couple days, I might just get some help to get the stuff out. There might be couches, beds left behind. You never know, because it's an off-market deal, what's going to be left behind. I might get some help, some young buddies of mine that can help me out, lift some stuff around. I'm not going to have any super experienced contractors on site doing other work, maybe just helpers, with the exception of electrical work and stone fabrication for countertops. Everything else I'm going to be doing myself, start to finish. So if you guys are excited to see something like that, watch me grow in the real estate market, starting from scratch, just having a little bit of construction experience, gaining some capital, and then eventually growing in the whole market, then stay tuned for the next video. I have some exciting things going. I'm going to be remodeling the entire house in 30 days alone. So all right, guys, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys in the next one.